Hi friend, this is Avinash and welcome to your channel code programming. So in this video, we means from today I'm going to start one new topic, that is the ASP.NET Core, and why we have to learn ASP.NET Core and why we are going to learn ASP.NET Core. So everything I will cover in this topic, in this video or in this playlist. So first, let start. What is ASP.NET Core and why we have to learn ASP.NET Core? Okay, so just ASP.NET Core, ASP, the Microsoft programming platform, is come on the Visual Studio. So just ASP.NET Core, that is the not a language, that is just like a design thing, design pattern you can say. So in this technique, you can achieve the means one code for the multiple purpose or multiple application. Suppose if one client have a they want a three type of application, just like they also want a web app, means just like a website or anything, and also they want a mobile app, and also they want window application. Okay, suppose if you are going to create this application, mobile app, web app, or window apps, so what here you have to do, you have to create a three separate application. Okay, for that you have to write the backend code, and you have to create means database call functionality, database design functionality, and separate way. And then if anything means anything client want in a new feature, or you have to change anything in the means existing feature, so you have to change in three application as well. Okay, three application code. Then so far, for come out this problem, you have to we are using now ASP.NET Core. Okay, why? Let we have to front end, just like we are using web app, mobile app, and other for the just like that is the user interface. Okay, so for that user interface, we have to need a database, and we have need a code flow. Okay, so in one place, when we add a one code flow, so just like suppose I'm writing a one ASP.NET means I have created the one ASP.NET code of programming. So if I do the code in ASP.NET Core, so that time what will happen, when you have to means when you have to data in your web application, you can just call the API. You need the data for the mobile application, just call API, and other thing you call API. So for the one thing, you will get every I mean every for every you get a data. Okay, so let's start how we can create the ASP.NET code ASP.NET code for, project. Okay, so first let's start Visual Studio. Okay, I'm using Visual Studio 2022, so you can use anything. Means latest version also, latest version only, in which ASP.NET Core will support. So create new project. Okay, you have to create the new project, and in this project, what you have to do, just let's see. So ASP.NET, I'm using ASP.NET Core, ASP.NET Core. Okay, so here you will get the ASP.NET Core empty project. Just let's see. that is the empty ASP.NET Core project, and let's we start the ASP.NET Core template with laser page. No, I don't need project for creating the ASP.NET Core application basic example. Okay, let's using the RESTful service. Okay, let's do the new. Use here the project name. So ASP.NET Core example. Okay, so here I'm using the latest .NET version 6.0. Okay, and authentication type I'm using the null. In the when we do the code, that time we will learn how we'll handle these authentication types. Okay, so let's create a one application. First, let's understand the project architecture of ASP.NET Code, ASP.NET Core project. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's see what comes. So we have a some means inbuilt folder or an inbuilt file, just like a C. So is here you will get the dependency, what dependency you will use in your application, that will goes here. Okay, and also that is the properties here, and here one more folder will come, www root. Okay, if you have a static file and anything, then you can create here www root folder. Okay, we will create in our the next video. That is the controller part. Okay, controller is the main thing where you will call means where you will put your the means routing concept and routing methodology. Okay, in ASP.NET ASP setting the JSON, you have to do your every setting related code, just like if you have any type of key, if you have a DB connection and anything more, you will we will see in our the upcoming video. Program file. Okay, that is the main page of your if your project. Okay, just like in C we have a main function. Okay, in other thing we have a means web config. So that is the program file is the main file of your the project. Okay, here two things will come. First are the service. Okay, and second in the just like here the builder service, here we are using the app service. Okay, so we will see the what the functionality of this we will see in our the upcoming video. Let's run this project, what will come. Let's check what is coming. Okay, so if you create a one project, then if your project you will get the weather forecast controller and weather forecast means model. It is just auto-generated content. So if they see, we have a get verb, and also we will means see the or type of verb in our the upcoming video. See, if I try it, then if I execute, is just like see, we can get the data what we have. Okay, so if you want to call this means this URL, just you have to call this URL and you will get the all data what you are getting in response body. Okay, so you understand how we will create the ASP.NET Core project, and what is the use of ASP.NET Core. So in next video we will learn more about the ASP.NET Core, and also we will see the one we will check we will add one controller and how controller will work. We will see. Okay, thanks for this video and have a nice day.